What's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we're featuring someone new on our Jamaican island. I'm in the land of Jamaica, where the legend Bob Marley was from. This guy. So please let me know how much a fan of you is to Bob Marley. So guys, we're gonna react to Black Swan Double Down. It's actually my first time checking out these people, and the reason why I'm here, I'm not just here for just the music. I'm here for the people, the culture, the heritage, and anything you can think of about these guys. Right, so it's my first time, and I am willing to learn more about the Black Swan. So this is actually the show. So without further ado, let's go. Peace. Wait, wait there, bro. Okay, okay. These are what they called the Black Swan. But damn, this is super good. This is super awesome. I mean, like, each of them contains different skin complexion, but the combination is beautiful, bro. Their voices are amazing. Their dances are quite remarkable. Music is enjoyable, bro. It's so sweet. It's so good. I am impressed. Yo, I am blushing, bro. I am blushing because each of them looks really good. Yo, look, I would date everyone. I would just snatch every one of them away. I would just date them, bro. They are looking amazing. Each of them look different, but it doesn't matter the difference in the looks. They all are amazing. Each individual's voice, it's quite fascinating. Very much fascinating. The movement, a complete package. Blah, 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 blah. Yo, yo, it's my first time knowing of these Black Swan, but trust me, they are literally sailing on the beautiful top of that lake where a swan literally sit and swim across. And they are making it so amazing, bro. Extra, extra amazing. Oh, the rapping caught me off guard. Yo, I always think that people only can go little bit, but much more. But what I've observed about these females, they are really multi-talented, right? Because I think everyone can only sing in one voice. But when I've heard this dark-skinned woman, right, changes her voice and singing into a rapping mode, that's bizarre. That literally bizarre. That's outstanding. That's what we call a multi-talent person, right? She's talented. She's multi-talented, bro. I can't deny that. As a Jamaican, this is approved to be good music. Speaking of amazing, speaking of an outstanding job, speaking of a job well done, these are the woman that is perfectly standing in that position. Yo, I love this. Ra, 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 ra. I love this, bro. I love this, bro. Trust me on that. I love. Yo, yo, yo. I think I seen my crush. Yo, I think I've seen my crush. Yo, yo, her voice is incredible, man. Yo, her vocals. Mm, 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 mm. It's something to die for. I would listen to these females sing every day. My first try is a blast. It's a blast. You guys did great. It was an exception. And I never get to compliment them and say, hey, you all are so neatly attired. You all are so sexy. You all brought for my attention. Now, this led me to go and check out some more of you guys' songs because the world is quite a big place. And I'm not even knowing a fraction of the earth's music, bro. I mean, like, I have so much more to learn. But what I've learned here is that your music are amazing. Definitely amazing. So if you guys want some more reaction from the Blackswan, please state them in the comments. I'll be happy to give a next suggested reaction onto you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.